at the Kauffman Center for the Performing Arts in Kansas City, Missouri, in the midst of the installation of an igus cable management system. The solution being installed today will replace several troublesome cable reels with a maintenance-free cable carrier system. This will free maintenance personnel from time-consuming maintenance activities and allow them to focus their time on more important things, like delivering the best possible experience to their guests and concert goers. Now, let's go on inside and take a closer look at the system.
At the moment, we're standing in the canopy that sits over center stage. To either side of me, you'll see several large cable reels that were formerly used to manage the cables that power the speaker and lighting trusses below. While these traditional style cable reels worked for a period of time, it wasn't long before they began to have issues with conductor breakage, signal loss, and failure of the reels to fully retract the heavy cables. Once the reels began to fail, maintenance personnel were forced to resort to improvised solutions, such as extension cords straight from above, and sending a maintenance technician up here into the canopy to manually retract the cables each time the truss needed to be raised and lowered. Because a traditional cable reel can only manage one cable per reel, there are 16 reels up here in the canopy. We're able to replace these 16 reels with only 4 igus systems. Now, let's take a walk downstairs and take a closer look at the igus technology we'll use to replace and update this system.
At the front of the stage, you'll see 2 igus zigzag systems installed on the main lighting truss. These were installed last year and have been in operation for approximately 12 months. We're back here today completing the stage left and stage right lighting trusses with a similar system. The system works by using a standard igus energy chain that is assembled in a unique way. Specific sections are flipped, which allows the chain to collapse neatly and consistently into the collection box that is installed on the lighting truss. Because a standard off-the-shelf energy chain is used, standard stock cables can be used with this system, which allows any cables to be changed, upgraded, or replaced as needed with minimal to no changes to the cable management system. This typically is not possible with a cable reel type solution.
igus offers a variety of cable management solutions, from off-the-shelf to fully customized. For the systems at Kauffman Center, igus has provided a fully engineered solution as well as installation services. igus engineers have surveyed the site, developed and supplied a customized beam solution to be able to install the system, complete with all necessary brackets, cable trays, and other accessories. The system has also been completely installed by igus technicians during a period of scheduled downtime. With all 4 lighting trusses now replaced with maintenance-free igus systems, Kauffman personnel are now free to focus on what they do best, delivering a world-class theater experience to the people of Kansas City and the surrounding area.